Today is Monday, April 1st. The time is 4:55 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2012 Panini Limited Football Break, break number 9. Good luck, everybody. First card, Jaguars, Maurice Jones-Drew. Serial number 31 out of 399. Serial number 346 out of 349. Legend, Brian Grease. Dolphins. Serial number 43 out of 49. Vernon Davis, Spotlight, 49ers. Serial number 61 out of 99 for the 49ers again. A.J. Jenkins, autograph. Serial number 292 out of 299. Phenom, Cody Sensenbog, autograph, Titans. Serial number 97 out of 99 for the Texans. Jumbo rookie jersey, DeVere Posey. And the last card, Titans again, Kenny Britt. Serial number 209 out of 399. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Ending today for baseball, I have a 2011 Panini Limited Baseball Break. Also listed for football box breaks, the brand new 2012 Topps Valor and the brand new 2012 Panini Totally Certified. Tonight I'll be posting a 2011 Panini Gold Standard football box.